All right, what I've got here is an Aickar digital electronics food scale, and I'd like to say that I got it for my diet, but my diet's been pretty good without me weighing food. Right? It's not the amount I eat. I guess it's mostly been what I eat. But we really needed this for my son's derby car.
Yeah, but we couldn't find it, so we just picked out one of my Hot Wheel cars.
Yeah. So last year, did you win the derby car?
Yeah.
What did you win?
A trophy, but actually Will and my Boy Scouts won the whole thing, but I got in second place.
Second place in the whole thing.
Yeah.
I think you won your age.
Yeah.
You won your age, but you won number 2 in the whole thing.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, dog's jealous. But anyway, we built it, but it was overweight because we couldn't measure it. And then we had a carve on it.
Yeah,
right?
And that's how I won, because mine was lighter than anybody else's.
Actually, yours was right exactly as heavy as we could make it.
Yeah, so it went like this fast.
So, that's all. Instructions,
hey,
yay!
Mr. Hot Wheel, it's not going to hurt, it's okay.
Go $15, it comes with a battery, right? You had to pull the little thing out, right? 2 triple A's.
I believe it's okay. We're not talking to real people. Okay.
Little spacers. Maybe a little flimsy.
So
Maybe a little flimsy.
Hey, Daddy, do I put my Hot Wheel on?
Hold on. You got a unit of measurement and you got a tare to zero it out. So we zeroed it out. But put your car on there. Let's see how much your car weighs. 60 something. Know what the unit of measurement is.
See, Mr. Hot Wheel, it doesn't hurt. Here.
It'll measure water volume, and that's what it is. It's measures out in milliliters. That's milk. So that'll give you milliliters of milk.
It's as heavy as milk.
That's weight. Okay, this is pounds and ounces. So 2.1 ounces or 60 grams. Right? So it's pretty cool that this will give you a fluid ounce of water or milk. But just make sure that you measure out the empty can before you put it in there, and then hit the tare button to zero it out so you get the weight of the can before you add the milk. But let's see, how much was this? It was $12.96 prime shipping. It is a little, I mean, it's like plastic, but it's a kitchen scale, so you're not going to be carrying it out in the woods or nothing. So I think it could be a little bit sturdier, but for the price and for the water and the milk volume, that's pretty cool.
Hey, Dad, when we end this video, can Mr. Carr say bye?
Yeah. You want Mr. Carr to say bye?
Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye.
You like having a scale, Mr. Carr?
Yes, I do.
You think this is going to help us win the Derby next year?
Yeah.
Because the secret is get as much weight as you can legal.
Okay.
And put it as high in the car as you can toward the back. Right?
Yeah, cool, Dad.
Say that again?
Cool, Dad.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Woo! Backflip.